So, what kind of traveler do you want to be? Truth is, most travelers are so busy packing, planning, and shopping for their trip that they never stop to consider what kind of traveler they want to be. But that's a big mistake. Having been leading groups overseas since the year 2000, I can tell you something with confidence. Your mindset is your trip. In other words, the kind of traveler you choose to be determines the kind of experience that you will have. And in this video, I want to briefly explore what that means. But for more detailed information, be sure to read the accompanying booklet that I have written on this topic. In that booklet, I briefly describe all the different kinds of travelers, and I ask you to consider which one you want to be. But I spend the second half of the booklet talking about the difference between a traveler and a tourist. On your trip, I highly encourage you to be a traveler rather than a tourist. And that means putting into practice 6 specific qualities, which spells the acronym TRAVEL. T for try, R for reflect, A for adapt, V for view, E for engage, L for linger. Very briefly, here's what I mean. T, try something new every day. R, reflect on your experiences every day. A, adapt to your circumstances. V, view the world from a local's perspective. E, engage the people around you. L, linger in the moment. In conclusion, when you go overseas, do so as a traveler rather than as a tourist, which you can accomplish by putting into practice the 6 specific qualities that spell the acronym TRAVEL. Until next time, happy travels.